Hi everyone, we're on lesson 9.6 today, and 9.6 is an open response and it's called packing apples. So you need to go ahead and get your math journal so that you can participate. So press pause if you need, and then I need you to turn to page 289. It looks just like this. When you're ready, press play again, and then we'll get started. Okay. So on page 289, our math message says this: working with a broken calculator. Pretend that your calculator is broken. The addition key and the number 8 key are not working. Think about how you could use your broken calculator to make the number 18. In the name collection box, write at least 5 different names for 18 that do not use the addition key or the number 8 key. Use 2 operations in at least one of the names. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write a couple in, and then I want you to go ahead and try to write 5 more. So one way that I can make 18 without using the addition or the 8 key is I could write 9 times 2. That equals 18. What they mean by use 2 operations in at least one of the names is that they mean try doing 2 different things in the same number sentence. So one thing I could do is I could go 10 times 2, which is 20, take away 2, and that also equals 18. So now I want you to pause the video, and I want you to try to write 5 other names for 18 on your own that do not use the number 8 and that do not use the plus sign. Good luck. Okay. Now that you have done that, I want you to have this page in front of you. This is on our website. It's called Packing Apples. If you cannot print it out, that is okay. I also have it on Seesaw, so you can work directly in Seesaw if you'd like. You have both options. I want to go over this with you before you try it on your own. It says, pretend the division key on your calculator is broken. Solve this problem using other keys on your calculator. Emma picks 176 apples to sell at the farmer's market. She packs them into boxes that each hold 16 apples. How many boxes does she need to take all of her apples to the market? Show or tell how you used your broken calculator to solve this problem. Okay, so normally if our calculator was working, we could put in 176 divided into groups of 16 to find our answer. Unfortunately, this key is broken, so I have to use different operations to figure this out. The operations that I have available are addition, subtraction, and multiplication. You guys can figure out any way you want to solve this problem, or you can use any way to solve this problem that you want. You must show your work here, and please write the answer here. We're going to stay after our morning meeting tomorrow on Friday just to discuss some of our work, but I want you to try this out and then upload it to Seesaw. So like I said, you can either do it directly into Seesaw on the template, or you can print it out and then upload it. It's up to you. Good luck.